Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, it's actually the same day as what I posted yesterday, but I'm going to make a separate video out of it, and I'm going to start putting in my 2x6s in here. I'm going to start with putting in some 2x6s around my Duct boots, and then after that, then I'm going to start by putting them on that edge back there, so that way the back side of my Advantex subfloor will actually have something to be glued and nailed to. I just want it to be super solid, and start the process of making it almost bug proof. So that's why I'm going to do that. It'll be stronger as well. So I'll do that on both sides of my seams, even at the tongue and groove sections, just so it's, like I said, it'll strengthen the inside of these 2x6s that are 24-inch on center. And then that will also allow me to put in custom boards in between these, to where the top part of this 2x6 matches the height of the top part of this one over here. Since it's not perfectly, since it's level, or it's not level, it's flat, but it's not level. And so I'd like to essentially create, I think, what they call a torsion board in here. So it'll kind of be, you know, two birds with one stone, if you will. So anyhow, I'll probably talk more about it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the next clip.